Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Banyuwangi is known as a paradise for exotic tourist destinations on the eastern tip of Jawa. In the district, 48 attraction are charter and vintage spot and the mainstay destination. One of them is the Grand Watu Dodol Beach. The following video is Grand Watu Dodol Beach.
Dodol Beach is a marine tourist attraction that is able to attract tourists to visit. Grand Watu Dodol Beach is located on the crossing of Situbondo, Banyuwangi. More precisely is Parsput di Hamlet Bansring Village, Wonosorejo District. Why people Banyuwangi call Watu Dodol? The name Watu Dodol is to refer to a large stone acid matter, which is located right between to the road segment. According to the legend of the Banyuwangi people, during the Dutch colonial era, residents carved made a road that would lead to Panarukan from Banyuwangi, but the road was constrained by the presence of hills. Tembungan Wirogono I, who at the time ruled in Banyuwangi, held a contest to the community wherever could make the pass through the hill would be given a price of land from the rock hill to the sun to the Sokowidi area. Until one day Temenggung remember his advisor first Ki Buyut Jaksa. Story short, Tembungan Wirogono I success in persuading Ki Buyut Jaksa to help make the road through the rock hill. Ki Buyut Jaksa with the help of Jin and his men and led by his other son Nur Iman managed to make a path through the rock. Assistance from the jinn is currently not free. There are three conditions that must be met, namely: first, don't rock over the limit marked by the jinn. Second, leave a rock the seat of the beach. Third, at least once a year, Ki Buyut Jaksa and his children must visit this place. Therefore, the tourist attraction is named Watu Dodol. Dodol is Javanese, which means in Indonesia dismantling, while Watu means stone. Grand Watu Dodol Beach recently led Banyuwangi to win the title of Asian Clean Tourist City. The award was won at the 2018 Asian Tourist Standard Award held in Chiang Mai, Thailand, of the 22 to the 26th of January. The unique characteristic of Watu Dodol Beach is that its beaches are not sandy, but are full of coral and coral rocks. However, the water is Watu Dodol Beach is still very clear and has a very charming panoramic view of nature. Not only does it have a clean and comfortable beach, Grand Watu Dodol Beach has several attractions, covering Gandrung statue of a gantung nature on top of a building. While holding the fan, the dancer seemed to be wetting his body, showing his sadness in dancing and giving a greeting to the beach visitor. Freshwater wells are located in the Watu Dodol Beach area. Local residents built it with wall made of stone. The issue freshwater is believed to cure various diseases. Japanese cave. The Japanese cave was used as a furnace during World War II and has used to monitor every ship that crossed the Ballestri. The cave connects to cave door from the hill seat to the cave door at its peak. The condition of the cave is snow-covered mountain and covered with bush, making it difficult to find aspect for people who already know the exact location. Tomb on a hilltop. A pair of tomb on a hilltop location just behind Watu Dodol Beach, west side of Watu Dodol. A pair of the tomb was scattered by various groups, namely local residents and people from outside the Banyuwangi area. Not infrequently, there are some people who imprisoned at the tomb location. There are many interesting photo spots. The beach is the main attraction present by the Grand Watu Dodol Beach, but in order to attract the attention of visitors to come, many interesting photo spots were made here. For example, the art painting of gazebo, swing, that bridges are also beautiful and charming photo background of coconut trees. Surely this will further enrich your photo collection. Snorkeling and diving. One more thing that makes Grand Watu Dodol Beach cannot be done is scrum. You can enjoy the underwater beauty and its life. Jetty dock and amphitheater will be built. As explained before, the Grand Watu Dodol Beach is still doing various renovation and add facilities. Facilities that are currently being worked on include jetty deck and amphitheater, which make it seem more luxurious, but at low price. To be able to enter the Glens Beach tourism location in ASEAN, all you have to do is prepare the entrance fee for the Grand Watu Dodol Beach of Rp5,000 for Monday to Saturday and Rp7,000 on Sunday. For those who cannot wait to play water, you can order snorkeling equipment for Rp25,000, Rp25,000 containment service, and rent diving equipment with oxygen cleaners for Rp300,000. Grand Watu Dodol Beach Underwater Park is truly extraordinary. Coral reefs are only 5 meters from the mainland with a depth of only 3 meters. You can also take a walk by renting a boat for Rp10,000 per person. You will be invited to tour around the Watu Dodol area to see the beauty of the beach. For those who are interested in the beauty of Menjangan Island, you just need to order a boat rental service to Menjangan Island for Rp1.8 million for 10 people. If you want to rent a smaller boat, around Rp1.6 million for 6 people. Usually, these facilities include admission ticket, lunch, and snorkeling equipment. For the price of renting a boat to the island of Tabuhan from Grand Watu Dodol Beach, around Rp900,000 for 10 people. For those who do not want to be exposed to sea water, you can rent on the rides available at Grand Watu Dodol off-road using an ATV motor. The road is not far, only around the earth. Especially culinary lovers do not need to worry. Here are a lot of tents selling a variety of typical culinary Banyuwangi. Watu Dodol Beach Banyuwangi is arguably a complete beach tour of the facilities and service, including the following: valet parking area, prayer room, and bathrooms. Watu Dodol Beach is from Banyuwangi City to the port of Ketapang. From Ketapang to Watu Dodol Beach for about 2 hours. To reach the Watu Dodol area is very easy because of its position if the close provincial line, namely using an intercity bus majoring in Surabaya Banyuwangi, or take the run from Gubeng Station Surabaya to Banyuwangi Station, then proceed with a ride between Colt or Isusi Village if from Bali. After from the harbor crossing Ketapang distance to Watu Dodol Beach, tour around 2 km, use intervillage transportation or Bus then hit Wat Situbondo. This has an annual tradition that is commonly called the Puter Kayon tradition. Puter Kayon is a tradition practiced by Boyolangu residents when entering the 10th Syawal month. Puter Kayon is a ritual to fulfill promise of Boyolangu residents to the ancestors who have contributed to open the way in the northern region of Banyuwangi. They did the try by reading the ornamental German card from Boyolangu the Watu Dodol. After arriving at Watu Dodol Beach, they also held a salvating by eating together along the beach as an expression of gratitude for the fortune they have resident over the past year.